Having trouble with push-ups or can't do it? I can help you with that. Just follow me. Step 1. Extend your arms straight out and squeeze your chest. Extend and squeeze. Extend and squeeze. Second, use a wall and stand not too far away from it. Push the wall like you did in step 1 while squeezing your chest. After you have mastered the wall, find a sofa or chair and do the same thing as the wall. Challenge yourself and do 2 rounds of 15. You're doing great. Now that you're stronger, it's time to hit the floor. Wrap your legs together and place your hand on the floor. Push and do 2 rounds of 10. Over time, your body will adapt, and there you go. You can do push-ups. I'm proud of you. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more helpful content. Bye.